try to fight it, and I'm all up inside it. Hey guys, I am doing a crawfish snow crab mukbang. I'm at work. Got a Coke, some water. I'm gonna drink some water. It's been a while since I did one. So, I'm really sure it's soft. I'm using my phone because my camera at home. It's looking a little better. So good. I'll start doing more videos. I'm at work right now. I've been too busy to try and even do a mukbang, but I'm doing them. Off tomorrow. It's gonna be a get to know me. Well, from Louisiana, small little town, about an hour from New Orleans. At work, I just sit with my clients at the house. I'm married. I don't have no kids yet, but my husband been trying for a while. But I'm always watching everybody else mukbang, so I'm gonna do maybe one today. Being from Louisiana, seafood is very popular. So. And a snow crab. And this crawfish is huge. I only got like 2 pounds. Okay, so it's big. But it's really, really popular on here. The paws have meat in it, but I don't all the time eat it. I want to do me like some lobster. Like lobster tails and stuff like that. Look how big they is. They're nice size. I just can't believe they actually sell crawfish in stores like Walmart. You'll never eat frozen crawfish. Like, people eat it, but you gotta get them fresh. My client's on the phone while barfing, so you might hear a little noise in the background. I had to monitor the conversation. So, but I'm 33. I have 3 brothers, 3 sisters. My mom live close around me. All my family live close around me. I have one brother that lives in Ohio. I have a lot of nieces and nephews. I just be chilling. Just be chilling. I have a bored life. All I really do is work. That's about it. Let me get some of this snow crabs. I got everything like fresh. It was so fresh, y'all. But if you come across this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. Like, comment. Tell me what you think. I know I'm a little bored, but I'm gonna get better as time go by. I love all the season. Like I love watching. Of course, Be Love. Everybody love Be Love. I love watching Q Eat with Q. I love watching Eat with Kim. I love watching a lot of them. So I'm doing my own one today. I love the heat. You gotta suck the heat. You gotta squeeze this up. It has so much juice in it. I had the most boring job. It's very peaceful. I was working by no managers. No, nothing. It's me and my client. I just basically like watch TV all day and just sit here for like 8 hours and I'll go back home. It's boring, but it's very peaceful. Trying to talk loud because I'm gonna get my I got a camera, but it's at home. I am using my phone, so bear with me. But please like this video, y'all. Please subscribe. Subscribe if you love seafood. But I'm not gonna just do seafood. I'm gonna do different foods too. Look at that. So good. I want to get me some king crab. That's what I want. Oops, got juice coming all over. But y'all, what's the new? Who in the news now? Let's talk about celebrities. Let's see who's in the news. I seen on they were trying to put young boy music out there. Like I'm from Louisiana, so of course I've been liking young boy since when he first came out. Good artist, like his music is really dope. I see he been in the media, all his women, his baby mamas. He got so much drama going on with him, and I love it. I'll be on Instagram scrolling through. But my life is so like boring. I thank God for each and every day. You know, my husband been trying to have a baby for years. I just had a recent surgery I got fibroids. I don't know if a lot of people are familiar with that, but it's fibroids. It's like tumors on the uterus. And it don't stop you from getting pregnant, but it makes it hard for you to get pregnant. So, this is my second surgery. So, hopefully we get lucky this time. Yes. But like I just love seafood. I went craving for some. I wanted some. I wanted some lobsters. Like I've been craving for lobsters so much, and king crabs. That's what I really, really, really want. King crabs, lobsters, the big things. That's most popular. But I'm not eating no damn lobster with no the soft cheese. I tasted that. I tasted lobster and cheese. I tasted the king crab and the cheese, and I did not like it. But I do some mukbangs. Yeah, I'm Roxy, so y'all can be my Roxy Pops. What's up, Roxy Pops? Please like, comment, subscribe. Background, that's my client. I'm at work, so no big deal. But I'm gonna be coming with some more videos soon. Different things. Do some blogs about me. I have 3 sisters, 3 brothers. My dad passed away when I was like 14. My mom is still here with me. She's like 63. And she's going strong. I thank God each and every day for her. But I had got me a camera. I came from Walmart. I just gotta get it set up and everything and get like my editing better than just my phone. 'Cause I have an iPhone and you can't really edit it good like you want, on the phone. So I'm working on that. But y'all please like, subscribe, comment, negative comment. It's accepted too. She on the phone with her man. This is my job. Like I just sit here with my client. It's so peaceful, but it's so boring at the same time. What I like about it is there's no managers on your back, no co-workers talking shit about you. There's you, your client, the TV, and time. So please. But y'all, I think I just cut my fucking hand. Look how look. Y'all see those things? Them bitches will poke the piss out you. Same with king crabs. King crabs, they'll fucking kill you. They'll hurt you. But I love snow. I like snow crabs, but I like king crabs better because you get more meat out of it. That's all meat. But I have a bored life. I don't be doing shit. But I love watching big things, especially when I'm hungry as hell. So everybody love, be love. I love, be love. Shout out to be love. Like she really blow it up. A lot of people make fun of her, but guess what? She getting paid. Yeah, people out there getting money because of be love, making fun of our videos and stuff. But she can, they're making paid. They say she the seafood queen. Queen, excuse me. I was smacking it necessary, I know. But when I was younger, I always wanted to live in Atlanta. ATL, shorty, I don't know why. But I'm from Louisiana, born and raised. Yep. The famous people in Louisiana, let's talk about it. We got Young Boy. We got Kevin Gates, Boosie, Ellen. Celebrities. The little girl who made Annie, she from Louisiana. Like, she from this area right here that I live in. I forgot her name. I can't pronounce her name because it's long. Well, she from Louisiana. She from down this area, too. Um, let's see what else. We good for like Mardi Gras. Everybody come down for Mardi Gras. But this Mardi Gras was, I see like this parade, it was sad because people had got killed. I seen a nurse got killed and her daughter and her mom, they was on the news. It was sad. She got shot in the neck just at the parade. You know, like on Bourbon Street. Like it's so dangerous. So much stuff been going on. Like so much. But yeah, please subscribe my video if y'all come across it. Show me some love. Now show some love back. But tomorrow I'm off. I just don't got my nails done. And I don't like them because the pink is like too loud. I wanted to like dark pink, but I was. Well, now I met my husband taking care of his grandson. I'm here. He's 2. We had him since like he was born. So, like my little family. Now I make more videos. You're gonna be able to see him. And introduce y'all to my husband. But, you know. It's good. I haven't made a mukbang and I don't know when. Like it's been so long. Since I made one. Oh Lord. So girl, I'm trying to think about some celebrities that's been in the news feed. I can't think about now. Cardi B. Oh, can't even say it right. Oh, Cardi B out there doing her thing. Playing Offset. She doing her thing. Must give it to her. But I ain't really been seeing no other shit. I'm gonna say Avant. Avant is sick. I pray that he be alright, because Avant he's a good R&B singer. Like everybody knows, separated we can't stand one another. Prayers for Avant. Y'all know Avant had us in our feelings. When that separated came on, when you broke up with your first love, y'all know Avant had us in our feelings. So pray for Avant. He's good. I'm getting full. Like I only had like 2 pounds in one. You want to say people that like eat all that fucking food. On him. I got a big ass 15-pound lobster. Like people getting paid to do all that shit. Y'all get paid to eat. I guess subscribers. You never know. But some people probably don't never taste crawfish, but they taste like they don't really taste like lobster. Just like a it tastes like lobster, but in a different way. Because to be honest with you, they really identical to lobsters. Look at that. This is just like a lobster, that was just like a baby lobster, but they different. Crawfish and lobster is different, but they gotta be cousins or some shit. Crawfish and lobster gotta be like first cousins or something. I'm in a good mood. Like I'm probably because I'm out somewhere. Yo, I might be done with this shit already, but they see me need like the cracker. I got so much meat in here. Look. Let's see. Watch how much meat come out here. But I like this with butter sauce. But y'all, I gotta try the fucking beloved sauce. Like, I gotta try it. Like, but I make sure I have some lobster in there. Or some king crabs. That's very popular. I'm making like a little small thing. I don't want my shit soaking in that bowl like that. But like I'm making some beloved like sauce about this much in there just to taste it. Cause it's very popular. Like everybody has tried the beloved sauce. Like I gotta try it. I got 2 pound crawfish for one snow crab plus, and that was $23. Just for that. But I'm getting full, y'all. I know I'm bored. Like